Hello. Yeah, I wanted to discuss something about astrology, especially, for example, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, who's the Bollywood actor, and he had this dialogue in the movie Dar. You know, the dialogue was what I love you, Kiran, something like that. So this Kiran is actually stammering, uh, and Mercury actually represents speech in astrology. Second house in astrology, and also the third house in astrology, uh, because second house represents the tongue and Mercury. So if a person has a badly placed Mercury, or if Mercury is not the lord of good houses, then he or she may actually stammer, just like SRK, as he is popularly known as. So, as you said, I love you, Kiran. So, this Kiran, so this stammering actually, I've seen this in a few people's birth chart, that if Mercury is badly placed in the second house, because second house also represents Vani and speech, so there are chances that the person may stammer, you know. And why Mr. Shah Rukh Khan is a good actor? Because he was born on the 2nd of November. Now, number 2, according to numerology, represents moon. So, moon means imagination, intuition. So, imagination. So, when a person is in the film industry, uh, he or she needs some imagination. Just like if there is no other person in front, if the heroine is not there, the actress, so sometimes the director tells the actor that you have to look at the camera and you have to give a romantic expression, just by looking at the camera, and no heroine is there. Sometimes you just have to imagine that there is a heroine or a actress, in front of you, and you have to give that perfect romantic expression, just like, Bollywood superstar also, Mr. Rajesh Khanna used to give, like, something like that. I don't know, I mean, he did something uh, romantic, or uh, something with his eyes, so that kind of imagination Mr. Shah Rukh Khan also has, in order to succeed in the Bollywood film industry or the acting. He also did theater earlier. Thank you.